Welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, August 7th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and the candle that we're analysing here, the second last candle on the chart, the final candle hasn't finished developing. This candle has made another higher high and a higher low, thus continuing the trend to the upside. There may have been a significant event occur here today, and the market has closed in a bullish manner up above the important 133.20 level, and that has been a very strong area of resistance and previously support in the recent past. For the previous day's trading to today, it held as resistance, and a few trading days ago the area above 133.20 held as resistance, and price was fairly strongly rejected from that area. The solid bullish close up above this area may suggest that we may see follow through in this market. The market may have built enough momentum now for an assault on the 134 level, so let's keep an eye on that, and we should be watching this high of this current candle for a potential higher high and higher low. Now, we still have a white body candle today, and that suggests that the buyers have made an amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, slightly smaller than the previous day, so they have lost a small amount of momentum, but not a substantial amount, so still does suggest that that momentum is with the buyers. The buyers have, however, closed up towards the high, and that suggests that the buyers have closed with control of this market. And just looking at the shadow on the bottom as well, this suggests that the sellers had lost commitment as they were trading down to the low, and that low of today's candle coincided with the area at the Tenkan-sen. If we look at the recent past here, for the past 3 trading days now, the area at or below the Tenkan-sen is held as support for this market, so moving forward that will be an important level of support. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up. And here today we've seen the market trade in a bullish manner through the 50% level. It does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade to higher levels. There is good potential for the market to trade to the 61.8% level, which is at 133.61, or even up to the 78.6% level at 134.08. For the previous day's trading, we saw some rejection from the 50% level. It did raise some doubt about whether the market could continue trading higher, but today we have seen confirmation of that with this bullish close. As I've mentioned, the only worrying factor is this slight reduction in the size of the body, of the white body, but still it seems that there is enough bullish momentum in this market for it to trade higher. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and here today we've seen the market test exactly to the 100% level at 133.45. We've seen some rejection from that area, so there is a possibility of the market not trading through there, but with the strong bullishness that we've seen, the strong bullish close with the buyers closing with control today, it does suggest potential for the market to trade high. So the area around the high of today's trading does become very important. Strong bullish activity early on in this market may suggest that the market is attempting to build some solid momentum to trade up to around that 134 level. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all 3 time frames. The market is still trading up above the cloud, so bullish in that long-term time frame, and that is supporting this upside move that we've had in this breakout up above 133.20. Also supporting that move is the market trading above the Kijun-sen, and we have been for quite some time, so we're still bullish in that medium-term time frame. Interestingly, the Kijun-sen is still pointing flat. Initially, we saw price action attempting to retrace back towards that flat Kijun-sen. That didn't last for long. It was quite a dynamic candle, a very large black body candle, but we saw the market finding support around the 131.96 level, and then the buyers came back into this market. I think it says something about the strength of the buyers in this market overall. The market is still maintaining its price action up above the Tenkan-sen with a solid close up above there, and suggesting that we have a bullish market in the short-term time frame as well. And as I've mentioned, that Tenkan-sen has acted as support in the for the previous 3 trading days, and should hold as potentially strong support moving forward. Looking at the Chikou span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's telling us that the market has some solid upside momentum in terms of the past month, the past 26 days, and that is supporting what we're seeing in all three timeframes with Ichimoku. All of this is adding up to a potential test up to the 134 level. The high corresponds, as I've mentioned, with this swing high, and it is crucial to this market moving forward. If we do see early bullish activity up above there, there is good potential for the market to test up to the 134 level. If the market does come off, potentially strong support at 133.20 or at the top of the cloud at around 133, and extending all the way down through to the bottom of the cloud at around 132.50.